Again, it's right on the water. Beautiful boat dock here. The sun is setting. Things are great. Virginia is for Grubbers. We are back again for another Old Fashioned Friday, and today we're at Fort Monroe.
Hey, party to 5K.
And there's a party of 5 going on right here. And we're at Deadrise, which has one of the most beautiful views I've ever seen, right on the water. Amazing seafood spot inside, great cocktails. Found this place on Yelp, literally Googled best old fashioned Hampton, Virginia. And a lot of the places that I visit are honestly from you guys, because people that leave positive reviews of places in Virginia that say this is the best old fashioned I ever had, or they have a great old fashioned on Yelp or Google reviews, those things pop up whenever you Google them, and that's how I find them. So this is how I found Deadrise. Again, it's right on the water, beautiful boat dock here. The sun is setting, things are great. I just want to note that before we even started this, I spilled half of this all over the table. And I assured the bartender, if she gave me glass, which is not allowed down here because the restaurant is upstairs, that I would not break this glass, which I upheld my promise, but still spilled half of this. So this was technically like double this. When I ordered it, I said, do you guys have single cubes? And she said, no, we don't. And then she gave me a single cube. I said, you do have single cubes. And she just walked away. Super sarcastic humor, a big fan of that. And then she was like, all right, one of the worst old fashions you ever had coming right up. Just like, I don't know, hilarious. So off the start, views great, sun setting great, boats are here, that's great. Fan of water, great. Bartender, great. Huge, great start. You guys know how this works. It's 0 through 3 on appearance, 0 through 3 on first sip, 0 through 3 on overall taste, and 0 through 1 on overall ambiance. I'll do the ambiance first, definitely get a full 1. It's on the water. The bartender was amazing. The place is jam-packed. And she was just super, super nice for allowing me to bring this down here, even though I spilt it like a dumbass. So off appearance, great size glass, orange peel, Luxardo cherry, single cube. Everything I want. Not clear ice single cube, nonetheless, still single cube. We'll go 2.9 off of appearance. I feel like Jay should get 2.95 since I spilled it. 2.9 off appearance. First sip, here we go. It's smooth. By the way, before I film these, I take a small first sip just so I know what I'm getting into before I start filming. So you're like, oh, you spilled half of it, so the first sip isn't technically the first sip. I always take a first sip before the camera even goes on. That way I kind of get a rough idea of what I'm working with before I start filming. Super smooth. They use Woodford, huge fan of that. I mean, it went down super, super smooth. So we'll go 2.9 first sip. Overall, here we go. I want to invest stock in Luxardo cherries. They're literally the best thing that you can possibly add to any drink. All right, first time in Fort Monroe. I'm definitely coming back here, definitely coming back to this spot. I don't know if there's any other places on the water, but if there are, I would like to visit the other places, but definitely want to come back here, grab a bite to eat, and definitely another old fashioned. I actually might order another one of these after this review. It was just super, super good, man. So I said 2.9. What was that 5.8 plus 1, 6.8? Or just keep it the same, 2.9. So what is that, 9.7 for Deadrise, right here on the water, Fort Monroe, Virginia. Virginia is for Grubbers. Cheers, guys.